The story of the angel Michael is primarily found in the Bible, in the book of Daniel and the book of Revelation. Michael is described as an archangel, a powerful and prominent angelic being. In the book of Daniel, Michael is mentioned as a guardian and protector of God's people. He is called the Great Prince, who stands up for the children of Israel. He engages in spiritual battles and fights against spiritual forces opposing God's purposes. In the book of Revelation, Michael is depicted as the leader of the angelic army that fights against Satan and his followers. In a cosmic battle, Michael and his angels wage war against the dragon, Satan, and his angels, ultimately triumphing and casting them out of heaven. Michael's role as a warrior and protector highlights his significance in spiritual warfare and the defense of God's people. He represents the divine authority and power that opposes evil and upholds righteousness. Michael's name itself carries a symbolic meaning as it translates to "who is like God," emphasizing his allegiance and devotion to God. Throughout the Bible, Michael serves as a model of courage, strength, and loyalty in the face of spiritual opposition. His story reminds believers of the reality of the spiritual realm and the assurance that God's angelic forces are actively engaged in the ongoing battle against evil. While the Bible provides limited details about Michael, his presence serves as a reminder of the supernatural beings at work in God's kingdom and the assurance that God's angels are fighting on behalf of his people.